Ever wonder if you could do more for your plants without expensive products? The secret might be in your kitchen bin. The waste we create daily, like vegetable peels, can transform your garden. Instead of landfill, turn them into a powerful liquid fertilizer. Plant gold for brighter blooms and bigger veggies. This method reduces waste and connects your kitchen to your garden, creating a nutrient loop. Before you toss that banana peel, see the potential for a sustainable, beautiful garden. A small change in routine can lead to a big change in your garden. Let's get our hands dirty and connect with nature's cycles. The beauty of homemade fertilizer is its simplicity. Start with kitchen scraps: potato, carrot, cucumber peels, and more. Avoid cooked or oily foods. They can harm plants. Add a bit of milk or yogurt for beneficial bacteria and calcium. A spoonful of sugar or jaggery fuels the bacteria, speeding up fermentation. Yeast introduces more microorganisms to break down organic matter. Water ties it all together, creating a potent liquid for your plants. With these simple ingredients, you're ready to create a magical garden elixir. No special items needed, everything is likely in your home. Let's turn waste into a garden treasure. Time to mix your potion. Chop 2 handfuls of vegetable scraps for faster breakdown. Blend with 1 liter of water, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of yeast. Blend into a rough, soupy mixture. Transfer to a container for fermentation, leaving the lid loose for gas escape. Place in a warm, dark spot. This vibrant liquid is the start of a transformation. Simple steps lead to a nutrient-rich fertilizer. Your plants will love this homemade brew. Let's get started on this rewarding process. Let nature take its course with fermentation. Bacteria and yeast break down scraps, releasing nutrients. Expect bubbling and a sour smell, signs of success. Ferment for 3 to 5 days, depending on room temperature. Once bubbling slows, strain the mixture. Use a sieve to separate liquid fertilizer from pulp. The liquid is your finished fertilizer. Add leftover pulp to your compost. This process enriches your garden and reduces waste. A simple, natural method for healthier plants. Your garden will thrive with this nutrient boost. Enjoy the fruits of your patience. You've made liquid fertilizer, now dilute it. Mix 1 part fertilizer with 10 parts water. Apply to plants as a soil drench. Feed every 2 weeks in growing season, less in winter. Watch for signs of plant hunger, like yellowing leaves. Your plants will show improved growth and color. This natural routine nourishes without harsh chemicals, a simple way to support your garden's health. Your plants will thank you with lush growth. Let's nurture our gardens naturally. The joy of seeing your garden thrive is unmatched. Homemade fertilizer transforms plants with essential nutrients. It enriches soil and supports healthy plant life, reduces waste, and connects you to a sustainable cycle. From kitchen scraps to garden bounty, it's a rewarding process. Start collecting scraps and see the difference. Grow beautiful, productive plants and embrace eco-friendly gardening. Create something wonderful from waste. Your garden and the planet will thank you. Let's get growing and make a positive impact.